Alright, so for homework 3, we went over the same data set 3 instruments. I'm going to go over the frequencies we ran for the cage questions. So this is a Mac view, but even on the Windows it'll look the same. I think just these bars end up on the actual windows instead. So just ignore that and follow through that. Okay, so we have data view here. You see cage 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's run a quick frequency on this. So remember, we just go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then Frequencies. So I still have the ones from the other 3. We're going to get rid of those. Move them over each time. And let's get the cage questions. So the cage 1 through 4, if you look at the homework, the labels on it aren't going to be the cage 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. They're going to be based on the question. So it's going to be feel you should cut down on drinking, angry at others, feel guilty about it, and then need an eye opener. So let's just drag all 4 over here. Alright, so I don't think I did that in order, but I think it's fine. So cage 1 through 4. Alright, so we don't have to do any of the statistics or anything, we're just going to do a quick frequency table. So we're going to OK. So this is what we get. We see cage 1 through 4, and we see who answered this and who's missing, whatnot. So I think this is just frequency. Now let's do the actual central tendency where we see the answers they've done. So again, we're going to go to Analyze, Descriptives, get rid of those. And then let's do options. We're going to do all of those. And we're going to do the mean. And then, actually, you know what? So, I just went through the descriptives. So let's go back. Let's backtrack and do it from frequencies. Alright, so this time we're going to go stats. Central tendencies are all clicked off. We're also going to do dispersion, not that we have to, but it will help. And also the quartile just in case, and you'll see why later. Alright, so let's do that. Okay, so now we see who answered all of them, and now we also see for each question what they answered. So if you go back, right, look at the cage 1 through 4. Let me just try highlighting that again. Hold on. Let me go back. What did I do? Alright, let's go to the top. So I'm just going to highlight all 4. You see the answers for you go down, right? 0 is no, 1 is yes, and it has to go back to all the questions that we went over. Because if you look at this, do you feel like you should cut down on drinking? This is a yes or no question. There's no maybe so. So if you look at each one, it says no is 401, yes is 200. The total people that answered is 601 out of the 1163. So you see the valid percent includes the people that are missing. So of the 1163, only 66.7, I'm sorry, I meant the valid percent doesn't include the missing. So of the 563, 66.7%, which is 401, answered no. And then the actual percent here is based on the full total number, including the missing, which is 1163. So it incorporates that 48.3% are missing, and then of this 1163, 34.5% said no. So knowing that, now let's go through it. Okay, so everyone answered no or yes, and then you're going to go to question 3, which is, are you angry? Question 2 here, angry at other criticism of drinking. They also said no and yes. No one answered anything else. Then you come to question 3 and 4, and the only answers you can have are no or yes, but someone's put in 2. So this is what we were trying to work on during class today, which is we're trying to figure out how do we remove these errors. So because each question can only be answered no or yes, we have to remember that any other answer is not true and should be just counted out. So that's what we're going to do. The whole point of this is we're trying to remove the error, and that is done through transforming. Okay, so let's do that now.